What is DevOps?
Have you ever wondered how big apps like Netflix, Amazon, or Spotify roll out updates so fast without breaking anything? The secret behind the scene is called DevOps. In simple terms, it's about people, culture, and automation.
The problem.
Traditionally, software development team and IT operation work separately. Developers build the software, then throw it over the operations to run it. This causes delay, mistake, and frustration. Imagine cooking a dish in one kitchen, then sending it to another kitchen to serve without talking. Chaos, right?
Enter DevOps.
DevOps is a way of working, not a tool. It's about bringing people together developers, operations, testers, and managers so everyone works as a team. It is also about culture, collaboration, communication, and shared responsibilities. And finally, automation helps reduce repetitive work. Think of it having a smart robot to do some tedious tasks so that human can focus on the creativity.
Real-life example.
Imagine a car factory. Developers are like engineers designing a new car models. Operations are like assembly line team. Without DevOps, engineers design car, then throw the design to the assembly line. It may not fit perfectly, causing delays. With DevOps, engineer and assembly line teams collaborate from the start, and some processes are automated, like robotic arm assembling car efficiently. Result: faster, smoother delivery, and fewer errors. DevOps is built on three pillars. People. Teams work together, share responsibility, and communicate openly. Culture. Collaboration, trust, continuous learning, and improvement. Automation. Repetitive tasks like testing, deployment, and monitoring are automated to reduce error and save time. Together, these pillars help companies release software faster and more reliably.
Why it matters.
Thanks to DevOps, companies can deliver updates quickly, fix bugs instantly, and adapt to customer needs in real time. Users don't notice the complex process behind the scenes. They just enjoy smooth, reliable apps. It's a win-win for both businesses and customers. So next time you stream a show or use an app seamlessly, remember, people, culture, automation, DevOps magic. Once upon a time, a team had a great idea for a new app feature.
Plan.
They didn't rush in. They planned together, developers, operations, and even customer feedback, deciding what to build and why it matters.
Build.
Next, the developer started building the feature. Code came to life piece by piece like assembling a puzzle while everyone stayed connected.
Test.
Before showing it to the world, the team tested everything. Automated tests checked for bugs, mistakes, and surprises, so problems were caught early.
Release.
When it was ready, the feature was released smoothly. No chaos, no late-night panic. Just a calm, confident launch.
Monitor.
After release, the team kept watching. Is the app fast? Are users happy? Dashboards and alerts quietly monitored everything behind the scenes.
Improve.
Finally, the team learned from real users. They fixed issues, improved performance, and planned the next idea. And just like that, the cycle began again. That's the DevOps lifecycle, not a straight line, but a continuous story of teamwork, automation, and improvement. Plan, build, test, release, monitor, improve, again and again. If you enjoy Ever noticed how apps update quietly in the background? New features appear, bugs disappear, and nothing breaks. That smooth experience doesn't happen by accident. It's powered by something called CI/CD, a smart automated way of delivering software safely and repeatedly. Let's understand it visually. No coding, no jargon.
What is CI/CD?
CI/CD is like a conveyor belt for software. Ideas enter at one end and reliable updates reach users at the other. Instead of one big risky release, CI/CD focuses on small, frequent, and safe changes delivered continuously.
Continuous integration. Working together early.
Continuous integration means everyone works together from the start. Each change is added to a shared system regularly, not weeks later. The moment something is added, automated checks run instantly. This catches issues early when they're small, easy to fix, and less stressful.
Automated testing. Catching problems before users do.
Next comes automated testing, the safety net of CI/CD. Instead of waiting for users to report problems, automated tests look for bugs, errors, and unexpected behavior. These tests run fast, consistently, and without human fatigue, making releases more confident and reliable.
Continuous delivery. Always ready to release.
Continuous delivery means the software is always in a releasable state. After passing all checks, it's packaged and ready to go live at any moment. Teams can choose when to release without panic, rush, or late-night emergencies.
Deployment. Smooth updates for real users.
When the update goes live, users receive it smoothly, often without even noticing. No downtime, no chaos. CE/CD makes updates predictable, controlled, and calm even for millions of users.
Monitoring and feedback. Learning after release.
After release, the job isn't over. Teams monitor performance, speed, and user experience in real time. If something goes wrong, alerts appear instantly, allowing teams to respond quickly and improve continuously. So CI/CD isn't a one-time path. It's a continuous loop of building, testing, delivering, and learning. It helps teams move faster without losing control, quietly powering the apps we rely on every day.
Tools in DevOps and what they do.
DevOps isn't magic. It's a set of tools working together to move software faster and safer. But names like Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Git, and Terraform can sound overwhelming. So in this video, we will explain what each tool does. No confusion.
Git. Tracking the story of code.
Every DevOps journey starts with Git. Think of Git like a shared notebook for developers. Every change to the code is saved, tracked, and reversible. Git allows teams to work together on the same code, see who changed what, go back in time if something breaks. If DevOps is a story, Git remembers every chapter.
Jenkins. The automation engine.
Next comes Jenkins. Jenkins is like a robot assistant. Whenever code changes, Jenkins automatically builds the application, runs tests, checks on error. Instead of human clicking on buttons, Jenkins works 24/7. In DevOps terms, Jenkins helps team build and test faster with fewer mistakes.
Docker. Packaging the app.
Now let's talk about Docker. Docker is like shipping container for software. It packages the app and everything it needs to run. This means works the same on every computer, easy to move between the environments. Docker makes software portable and predictable.
Kubernetes. Managing containers at scale.
If Docker gives us containers, Kubernetes manages them. Kubernetes is like traffic controllers. Start containers, stop them when not needed, replace them if they crash, scale them up during the heavy traffic. When millions of users show up, Kubernetes keep everything running smoothly.
Terraform. Building infrastructure with code.
Now let's build the foundation with Terraform. Terraform lets the team create server, network, and cloud resources using code. Instead of clicking in dashboard, you write instructions, create server, set up network, repeat the same setup anytime. Terraform makes infrastructure repeatable, consistent, and easy to manage. This is called infrastructure as code.
How these tools work together.
Here's the big picture. Git stores the code, Jenkins build and test it, Docker packages it, Kubernetes run and scales it, Terraform creates the infrastructure. Each tool has a job. Together they create a smooth DevOps pipeline. DevOps don't replace the people, they empower teams. You don't need to master everything at once. Start small, learn step by step. In this video, we made DevOps simpler. Deploy a like, subscribe for more DevOps explained simply, and I will see you in the next video.